What's going on, guys? Welcome back to James RC Garage. Today's video is we're gonna build these. Got music going, so we're just gonna let it play in the background and get right to it. So you're probably gonna need your 050 and possibly 1.5. Now this is just the tranny build video. The install video will be at a different time. So as far as that goes, let's get into it. We are probably not going to use the purple backing plate or motor plates because the metal trans comes with a nice metal plate that's designed just like this. So we'll probably just set this one off to the side and use it on a different build or something. Both packages came with red Injora stickers. Front cover, hardware. Pretty light. Looks like there's some play in that. You'd have think they'd have shimmed that from the factory. Quite sure my the lock nut is tight. Yep, lock nut is tight. There's a lot of forward and back play there. Not liking that. Might tighten up once we get some grease up in there. That's got some forward and back play as well. Just like Adam said, when you go to tighten this up from Cape Crawlers, when you go to tighten this lock nut up, nylock nut up on your gear there, you don't want to go too tight. Although with that play there, I don't think that's going to really matter much. It is keyed. That's keyed too as well. It's got a flat spot ish. Yeah, there's some play in there. Alright, well, let's get some grease. I use marine grease, some Lucas. A little bit into the gears here. Just remember that is metal gears all inside there, and it comes dry. I know I said I wouldn't talk that much, but this is just for all the new guys for my channel. I'm just smearing the grease on the gears. So we get a good coating on the inside as well. A smooch more. In there. Now I know none of my videos y'all have never seen me run through any water, but trail riding, which is what my trucks are really set up for, going to be set up for, and stuff, even the little guys here, moisture will still get in there, dirt, stuff like that, so you want to kind of have something in, some sort of protection in there. Pull this guy off. All 4 motor plate screws are the same length. So I'm not worried about orientation there. Pop that off for just a sec. Alright, slide this apart. It looks like they had a little bit of blue grease in there, but that's not enough for my ourselves a nice good coating in there. We'll slide this back on. Pop our motor cover plate on. Almost put it on wrong. I don't tighten, excuse me, I don't tighten my screws down all the way when I'm putting my trans back together. So that way I can snug them all up evenly so nothing gets bound up. You know, your bearings don't get bound up or anything. I should have probably put some Loctite on here, but I only have red Loctite in the house right now. I don't think I have any blue. No, I don't think I have any blue in the house. I'm crisscrossing, and I'm just going barely tight. You know, just snug. All right. That's all nice and greased up. We are ready to put our motor on. Alright, let's find our motor screws here. And I do believe the rest of the hardware goes for putting your cover on. screw, motor screw. This is where you need your 1.5. And here again, you don't want to tighten your screws up all the way, so you can make your adjustments for your pinion gear. We don't need the grease no more. We can put that back. Push your pinion onto the motor. I'm going to push it on until it's even. Very gently. Pressing it on the desk. Check my depth. Not quite there yet. Ooh, there we go. We're nice and flush at the end there. Alright, let's put this guy back on. Go. Pinion depth and everything seem okay. Can already feel the torque in there. Can barely spin it with my fingers on the prop shaft. Okay, so let's tighten our screw here while we actually still have the main gear on. Make sure our mesh is still pretty good. Snug that open one up. Recheck your pinion mesh. Still pretty loose there. That's pretty good. I mean, not too loose though. All right. Motor screws are tight. Double checking the pinion mesh again when we're still good. I don't know if any of you guys watch Adam from Cape Crawlers, but one of his last two videos, he was doing a motor swap or whatever, and he touched base on that with this nylock and pinion gear. You don't want to go too tight because you will burn up a motor. Back off that a little bit. There we go. So Adam, if you do watch my videos, shout out to you, buddy. Yeah, that's nice. Gonna be nice and torquey. Oh yeah. Glad he's gonna love this metal transmission. Kinda wish it would have came with a brass pinion gear though. But that's okay. Alright, let's get our cover on. It is metal. It feels so light, it feels like plastic. But I know it ain't. Tis metal. Remember, if you do get these are aluminum casings, so you got to be careful when you tighten up your screws that you don't strip them out. They will strip out pretty easy. And be careful, your motor does have a magnet. It does have magnets in it, so your screw will adhere to the magnet if you're not careful. Come on. Technical difficulties here. My fingers don't want to work. There we go. I think I got her now. Looks like we have a tissue here on our motor case, trans case. So let's diagnose this problem. Okay, so that screw only wants to go in so far. Where'd you go, Injora? You didn't tap your freaking threads all the way. So now I gotta carefully make threads, and hopefully it works and I don't break the screw off. or strip the hole. Well, there is a little space in there. Maybe that screw is just a little hair too long. Can't be. It shan't be. Okay. See what happens now. Yeah, see, we're not quite closed all the way. And it feels like it wants to be tight. Screw in the hole. Come on there, little doggy. Alright, so snug that bad boy up. Seems that's why our cover is hitting the screw for our motor. So I'm gonna have to move my motor up just a hair. Get that screw out of the way, and then maybe everything will sit. The way it should. Trial and error, guys. You're gonna go through it with me. Okay. Adjusted the motor. We gotta check our pinion mesh, make sure everything is still copacetic. Moved it up and whatnot. Used a hair. And hopefully that hair is enough. So let's see. Is everything lining up now? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there we go. All right, let's get her together and we'll be done. Our mesh is still got some play in it, which is kind of what we want. Again, like I said before, don't over tighten this nylock nut on this gear. Now that I put that grease in there, some of that play's come out. Got some good mesh clearance in there. We should be good to go. Heck yeah, guys. All right. Excuse me. All right, let's get this bad boy together now, shall we? Meshing there, we're nice and level. We're not protruding out, we're being pushed out anymore. And look at that, our screw goes in most of the way. Honestly, I think it's hitting the front of the plate there, and our screw is just a little too long. Just a little too long. That's okay. We got some nice wow. Man, this thing it feels really, really torquey. Okay, guys, there it is. Metal Mod 3 Injora transmission with the Injora Purple Pro 050 motor. Heck yeah. I don't remember what, oh, it's a 50 turn. Well, there you go. And it is a brushed. They do make heat sinks for them if you want to put a heat sink on there. But yeah, next video will be the install and the deinstall of the Broncos transmission and a little bit of maintenance to Gladys tranny and a little bit of fine motor adjustments. So as always, guys, like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment if you would like. And we'll see you guys next time. Peace.